Do you want to schedule an automatic shutdown for your PC or Mac? It's easy to make any desktop or laptop computer turn off or restart at a particular time, either just once or on a regular schedule. This video tutorial will show you different ways to set a timer that safely shuts down your computer on Windows and macOS. So, we are going to watch about the how to automatically shut down your computer at a specified time.
Method 1. Scheduling regular shutdowns for Windows. First is open the Task Scheduler app.
If you want your scheduled shutdown to occur more than once, you'll want to use Task Scheduler. Task Scheduler is available on all versions of Windows. Here's how to find it. Press *Win+S to open the search bar. Type Task Scheduler, and then click in the search results. Press the *Win key. Type Schedule Tasks, and then click in the results. Click the Start menu, select, and then choose. Click and then click.
Step 2. Click Create Basic Task in the Actions panel.
It's at the top of the panel on the right side of the window. This opens the Create a Basic Task wizard. Step 3. Type Shutdown Timer for the name and click Next. You can also type in a different name if you want. Step 4. Select when you want the task to activate and click Next. For example, if you want the computer to turn off every night at 11:30 p.m., select. If this is just a one-time scheduled thing, select.
Step 5. Enter the time and date and click Next.
For example, let's say that beginning on July 19, 2019, you want your PC to shut down nightly at 11:30 p.m. You'd enter July 19, 2019 into the date field, and 11 hours 30 minutes and 0 seconds p.m. into the time field. Leave the recur ever X days setting to 1 if you want the action to occur every day.
Step 6. Select Start a Program and click Next.
Step 7. Type the path to the Shutdown X app into the Program Script box. The location should be C. Windows, System 32, Shutdown X unless you've changed the letter for your Windows drive. Step 8. Type S into the Add Arguments field and click Next.
Finally, review your shutdown task and click Finish.
The summary screen gives you a chance to review the scheduled dates and times for the shutdown. Once you save your task, the computer will shut down at the scheduled time. If you need to edit or delete your task, open and click the folder in the left panel. When you find your task in the center panel, right-click it to find the option to edit or the task.
Method 2. Scheduling regular shutdowns for macOS. First is click the Apple menu.
It's at the top left corner of the screen. A menu will expand.
Step 2. Click System Preferences on the menu. Step 3. Click the Energy Saver icon.
It looks like a light bulb. Step 4. Click Schedule at the bottom right corner of the window. Step 5. Check the box next to the second drop-down menu. It's the one that says either, or.
Step 6. Select Shutdown from the second menu. Step 7. Enter the time and frequency.
For example, if you want the computer to shut down nightly at 11:30 p.m., you choose from the bottom center drop-down menu, and then enter into the At box.
Finally, click OK.
As long as your Mac is awake at the scheduled time, it will shut down automatically.
Method 3. Scheduling a one-time shutdown for Windows. First is right-click the Start menu.
It's usually at the bottom left corner of the screen for most versions of Windows. For Windows 11, it's in the middle.
Step 2. Click Command Prompt, Admin, or Windows PowerShell, Admin.
One or both options will appear in the menu. If prompted to give permission for the app to run, follow the on-screen instructions to do so.
Step 3. Type Shutdown SFT number in seconds.
Replace number in seconds with how long from now. In seconds, you want the computer to shut down. For example, if you want the computer to turn off in 30 minutes, you'd type Shutdown ST1800. Check out this Google tool that can help you convert minutes and hours to seconds.
Finally, Press downwards arrow corner leftwards enter.
This runs the command and begins the timer. The PC will automatically shut down once the timer reaches the end. If you want to cancel the automatic shutdown, return to the prompt and use the command shutdown.
Method 4. Creating a shutdown shortcut for Windows. First is open Notepad.
You write a script that adds a shortcut to your desktop that, when double-clicked, schedules a shutdown. You'll find Notepad in your Windows Start menu in a folder called A. Use this method if you don't want to schedule a recurring shutdown, e.g., nightly at 11:30 p.m., but would like to quickly schedule such a shutdown if necessary.
Step 2. Enter the following code into the Notepad file.
Let's say you want the script to shut your computer down at 11:30 p.m. on the day you run it. Type each of the following lines on its own individual line in the file. At echo of W, if %time% equals 23 hours 30 minutes and 0 seconds .00 go to X, go to W, X, shutdown.x, S, F, T60, C. This script will constantly check the time and, when 11:30 p.m. rolls around, will shut down the computer, after a 60-second grace period. You can replace that time with the time of your choice, in 24-hour, military time format.
Step 3. Click the File menu and select Save As.
The Save As window will appear.
Step 4. Open the desktop folder.
You can do this by expanding the menu in the left panel and selecting. Step 5. Select all files from the Save As type drop-down. It's near the bottom of the Save As window. Step 6. Type Shutdown Timer, bat into the File Name field and click Save. Your new script is now saved to your desktop. You should see its icon, some gears, on your desktop.
Finally, double-click the Shutdown Timer.bat file to schedule a shutdown.
A blank command prompt screen should appear. You will need to leave this window open so that the computer will know to shut down at the right time. Once the time comes, you'll have 60 seconds to save your work before the computer shuts down. If you want to disable the script before it's time to shut down, press squared plus Win plus R to open the Run menu. Type Shutdown A, and then click Run.
We hope it is useful to you. Please subscribe to our channel to upskill yourself.